It is a GT, right?
LX. LX.
LX.
LX Notch, not a hatch.
What size? 5.0.
Yeah. Here we go. Most hardest part is done. Now it's just putting it all back together.
Yeah, making parts. That's what we're.
Yeah, so I need an OEM bumper, and I'm just gonna get that bumper and hood redone. The hood got a big old rock.
I saw that.
Rock, yeah. So you saw the flaw. You know what I mean? So I wanna get that done. And he was telling me about your guy because I saw the dude that did all his
body work.
God, dog, man.
John's good.
Hey, this whole everything that we doing right now is to get ready for that event.
Yeah.
That's all I'm doing.
Okay.
I'm trying to get ready for Foxtoberfest. Man, like you tell me what's wrong, I bring it to you to fix.
Gotcha.
Like, I'm
You got a Mustang too? Mustang got too?
Oh man, yeah. Well, I mean, I've dealt with these cars. I'm a Mopar guy actually.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Massively overpowered and respected.
so I'm thinking about going to Mustang Week as well. Only thing our steering pump is starting to whine.
Right.
LMR just sent me an email saying they finally got one in. I've been waiting 2 months for a power steering pump.
Oh, that's what it was when it started.
So I'm gonna do a bump steer, a rack and pinion, and K member.
Yeah.
So because you got to take it all off anyway.
Yeah.
What's the difference? It's all coming off,
Yeah.
man. My thing is, if it's old, take it off. Yeah. I'm just going through the whole car this way. Everything is gonna be new in a minute. But you know, I heard some up and down reviews about UPR. So.
Oh, okay.
To you, man. I said y'all crazy.
All we gotta do is just lines.
You're doing your thing, man.
So let's see. Let's give you.
Look at the difference in size. That's crazy.
Yeah.
This thing is gonna. I'm telling you, it's gonna stop when I think about it. Clearance wise, how we looking, man?
Well, when we bring it down, I don't know, man. You're hanging kind of low. You may have to go up a little bit because when we bring it down, these guys are hanging out a little bit further. You know, they don't mess with these companies, man. Oh, buddy. Old stuff.
This ain't it.
They put them on their new. I went over there to what's the Dodge place on 95th? Carries. They had like 2 of them.
To keep it up higher.
On one side though.
Yeah.
It made no sense to me, man.
Either you used a bad spring from somewhere, and he was just compensating on that.
That's cool how you got that light on that headlight. Yeah. That's like pretty cool, man.
Now, do H&R only deal with import springs? Ours is on California and
All little dumb stuff. It was little stuff here and there, like the little parts that I needed. Just seeing him, he really making these moves.
plus we think that somebody can get me.
There we go.
Oh, it is. Is it right there?
Good friend Ken here bought this very expensive set from LMR, and we are being held back because on their caliper, which looks to be a rebuild caliper, they seem to have forgot to put threads on the inside of the banjo bolt, or where the brake line goes. So we are emergency gonna go out, got a caliper from a local store just to make it work. So you talk about a waste of time. Yeah, this will be it.
So what has your experience been like getting? Okay,
This is horrible. This could have been a simple 3-4 hour job has turned into almost an all day job. Just hunting down parts and hunting down and trying to take care of these broken parts that shouldn't have been ever been broken.
Why are you hunting down parts? What?
We had to go look
I
for.
read this was
We had
a
to go out
kit.
and we had to go out and look for the bolts to that hold up the caliper bracket. We had to go out and now we have to go send down Mr. Ken to go out and get us a brand new caliper because their brand new caliper is broken. So it's been kind of a pain in the ass all day.
But is this supposed to be when you say a kit? What is the definition of a kit? That's what I want to get.
Majority of all kits should pretty much have everything that you will need to complete the job. Unfortunately, this kit is an incomplete kit if they call it a kit because it's not. It's really just all incomplete pieces that you'll have to put together yourself, I guess. There's nothing of a kit here to say.
What's the likelihood of a parts store having an 03 Cobra caliper? Very slim to none. So I'm thankful that we even had one, bro. Cause we had to go down. We had to go to a couple. We had to go to another auto zone because they was like, oh man, when the dude saw it, he said, you need a what? I said, yeah, 03 Cobra. He was like, okay. Looked it up. He was like, yeah, we don't have it. I was like, but the store down the street has one. I said, man, I need that one. I'm tempted right now to take that one and get it powder coated. and take some white out and put SVE.
Folleh said the same thing, man.
Look, spray SVE on the front, man. Call it a day, dude.
Well,
to go through the truck.
it's on.
Yeah, it's dude. I forgot to bring you the wrenches for the
So these are adjustable spring.
yeah, it's a cool. Two, three, hold.
About 3 times.
1, 2, 3, holding. 2, 3, holding. Yeah.
How'd it go? About 3 times and hold.
1, 2, 3, holding.
And then I watched Jesse James show. I didn't know he was that talented. Like they say, he's really talented.
He's really talented.
Yeah, he's really talented as a builder.
Yeah, give me one.
Same price on first.
Okay, I thought I put it on there.
Alexis is actually very cool. Me and her got a good relationship. You know what I mean?
All these apps, my phone's out of date.
Notch looking like this. Now, when you do see another one, you know they copied. Put that on camera. When you see another black notchback with these wheels, you know they saw mine first.
This one's perfect. I think this one's perfect. Pull it right there.
Cut it with that.
You could come back a little bit more. Okay. Yeah. That's good, it's good. Come on, come on.